We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.